In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up firm-wide notification settings in Clio Manage. You will begin from the Clio Manage home screen while already signed in to your account. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Settings. This opens the main settings area, where Clio groups account and firm options into separate sections. Next, under the Personal section, click Notifications. This takes you to the notification preferences tied to the user who is currently logged in. On this page, review the available notification options. Depending on your account and features enabled, you may see choices related to pop-up reminders, email notifications, and in-app notifications. Take a moment to look through each category so you can see what types of alerts are available. There is one detail here that is important to note in the current Clio Manage interface. The notifications area is mainly used to manage the preferences for the individual logged-in user. It is not a single master notification page that applies one set of preferences across every user in the firm. That means any selections made here affect the current user account rather than everyone at the firm. With that in mind, select or clear the notification options based on the alerts you want this user to receive. If a notification type should appear for this user, leave it selected. If a type of alert is not needed, clear that option. Move through the available settings carefully so the final configuration matches the current user's workflow and communication preferences. After making those changes, save the settings if a Save button appears on the page. Some screens update immediately, while others may require you to confirm the changes before they take effect. So look for the Save option before moving away from the page. If the notification setting you need is tied to a feature that works at the firm level, return to the main settings page. From there, open the relevant firm setting based on the kind of notification you are configuring. For example, you may need to go into Firm Preferences, Billing, or Clio for co-counsel and sharing. The correct location depends on which feature controls that notification behavior. This is the key distinction in Clio Manage, since user-specific notifications are handled in the Personal Notifications area, while some broader feature-related settings are managed elsewhere in Firm Settings. Once you have reviewed the personal notification options, saved any changes, and checked the related firm settings where needed, the setup process is complete. Thanks for watching. The current user's notification settings have now been configured in Clio Manage, with any related firm level settings reviewed in the appropriate section.